The Samsung 4-door RF23 J9011 is one of the most unique designs for refrigerators in the last 20 years. We'll look at the style and unique features as well as reliability in this video. Hi, I'm Steve Scheinkoff from Yale Appliance and Lighting, Boston and Framingham, Massachusetts. You're probably familiar with a French door refrigerator or side-by-side top with a freezer below. This Samsung 4-door refrigerator is the next generation of that product. Instead of 3, you have 4 separate doors with 3 different temperature zones. Aesthetically, it can be coordinated with many other brands with its handleless design. This refrigerator is also counter depth. It will not protrude from your cabinets for a much more upscale look in your kitchen. Counter depth in general is an affordable way to improve the overall look of your kitchen. This refrigerator is more functional than a regular French door because the 4th door can be converted from a freezer to a refrigerator. If you need more fresh food capacity, then you have the ability to change that function. Lastly, based on our 30,000 plus service calls completed in 2017, Samsung is the most reliable manufacturer of French door refrigerators. However, that number is still high at 16% service within the first year versus 25% average for most other brands' French door refrigerators. So it is important you should buy Samsung or any other French door style refrigerator with an idea of who will fix the product because eventually you will need service. If you're looking for the next cool product with great functionality and with great reliability in the category, then you should definitely consider the Samsung RF23 J9011.